Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. Today I'm trying to film a couple more things before I head out for the retreat. I received these from my good friend over at Coodeals. There's some big ones. I know. I'm like, okay, let's look at these. They're all big and bold and beautiful. Lots of color here. Lots and lots of color. So let's look at them and let's see what we have. All right, let me set this aside. First of all, I received some free gift, and I'm not certain what this is. I think maybe it's like a cover paper, like a release paper, but I'm not certain. Let's check it out and see what I think. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Ooh, it's this thin wax paper stuff. I've never had that before. I'm assuming that this is only one-sided, so you'd need to test it and make sure you know which side does not stick to your canvas, but that's what that is. Perfect. Okay. And then I got this little guy. What is he? He's a little dinosaur thingamabobby. Smushed. He got squished. Woo, come on. Oh, he squeaked. Oh, he squeaks. Okay. I'm surprised my dogs aren't running. That's what it is. It's a little squeaker toy. Okay, well, that's fun. I'm sure I have a grandkid that will absolutely love that. They'll probably argue over it, you know. Okay, let's get rolling with this. So this is how a Coodeals painting will come to you. Coodeals prints their own paintings. They do everything themselves right there at their factory. They package up their own drills, and they do a really nice job. So at the top, you'll see it has Coodeals. This is Mindy Dipple #1. This is the first canvas I ordered, and it's a 40 by 40. And here's how our drills come. They have what I call a little upgraded toolkit. They've got the nicer boat. They got some tweezers in there. So it's a little bit nicer than the green tray. So we'll go with that. Now, is this a 40 by 40? Let's see. Let's measure and find out. It looks close to true size. Let's see. Nope, it's 35. Okay, 35 by 35. Well, not quite 35 here. 34 and a half. Okay. So it is not a 40 by 40, but it looked really large, didn't it? So this was really pretty. It's like this stained glass. You can see the different colors of blue in the background for the stained glass with these beautiful tulips. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Glare is real. The glare. Anyhow, there it is. It's super pretty. Let me zoom you in. Maybe that will help us a bit. It's super pretty though, right? I love it. All this white background, but I mean, this has 30 colors. We have a legend on, no, we don't have it on both sides. We have a legend on one side, not on the other side. Got a thumbnail up at the top though. All of our DMC codes are listed here. Now, here's the neat thing that Coodeals does. Let me show you. They provide you with an inventory sheet, which I appreciate because we don't have stickers or anything for our containers. You can take these, you can run these through a Xyron sticker maker, and then you'll have stickers to put on your containers when you kit up. I like that. It also tells you the quantity of drills. This has bags, but there aren't 5 bags. I think this is like ounces over here, like a weight. Anyhow, each one will get a nice little inventory sheet. And their drills come pre-bagged, which, you know me, I appreciate that. These are all rounds, I believe. Look at all the pretty colors, blues, pink. Look at all those oranges, greens, blues. Look at this orange here. Look at that one. That's gorgeous. That one's almost a neon. Some more blues are falling all over the place. How pretty, right? Beautiful, beautiful colors. That's a darker color. And then what do we have left in our bag? A bunch of white. There's our white, our 3865, 19.2 grams. So here we can test that out, right? Right there. That is grams, 19.2 grams. Okay. And a couple more really pretty colors. So that is the first one that I got. And I think it will turn out beautiful. What do you think? I think it'll be gorgeous. Okay, now slide you over here out of the way. That's the trick. All right, I was really going for things that were bright and colorful. Well, most of them I went for bright and colorful. Same toolkit. Look at that one. Pretty, right? Look at all the colors on that. Again, it has 30 colors. We've got blues and pinks and greens, and it just says peace. Peace, baby, peace, right? Love it. Isn't that pretty? So, so pretty. So many colors. I love that one. All right, let's look at the colors. What do we have? Ooh, I saw some really pretty purple in here. This one, again, is a 40 by 40 with our inventory sheet, right? All right, let's look at some colors. What do we have? Black. Black. There's that pretty purple I was telling you I saw. The green, red. Look at that bright yellow. Pretty blue. Look at that pretty green. Got some real bright colors. What is this? 939. Yep. Next door neighbor there to black. More pretty colors. A few more in here. I have to put these all back in. They weren't in any particular order, so I'm not too worried about messing them up. Look at the pretty colors. Pretty blue, purple. Very nice. I love that one. That one's super fun, isn't it? It is just super fun. Now, it's a lot of confetti. I'll show you. Let me show you. Let's zoom you in here on just one little section. So you will see that like the 9s kind of go swoop up this way, and then you run into some A's, you have F's, W's, T's and S's for this color. So you're going to make like swooshy lines, right? Q's are going to come like this and swoop this way, but then so will the V's, just swishies. So that's what you get. I think it's really pretty. I think it will be fun to do. I think it will look great. These drills look wonderful. Want to see the drills? I'll show you some up close. There you go. Look at them. Right? They look nice. They don't even look like they have much static in them, really. They don't. They look pretty good. I like it. Okay. You got to go over here with this other one. Okay. I'm running out of space here. Try not to get them mixed up. This one I had to get. I fell in love with this guy. I just chuckled and chuckled and chuckled when I saw that one. All right, still trying to rearrange over here. Okay. I laughed and laughed and laughed. Right? You know me and my duckies. And of course, my other house, we have a duck bathroom. It's all rubber duckies. And what do you know, but Shannon marries someone who has a rubber duck collection. It was, it was meant to be. Wouldn't this be perfect, though, to do and frame and put in the bathroom over there? We have a mural on the wall, but this would be fun, wouldn't it? I love that. That is super cute. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. It has 30 colors, so we're sticking with the 30 color thing here. So far, all of them have had 30. I'll show you some of these colors. I'm going to have to put these back in the bag because otherwise I'm going to have a hot mess over there. But I wanted to show you some of these oranges and reds for the boots. And look at that bright yellow. That's beautiful, right? There's a lot of blue background. We even get orange and pink. Pretty. This is all one color back here, of course. So it would go quick. This one has a lot of color blocking. Let me show you. Look at that yellow. And then there's the background. There it is right there. Boom. That's our background. Right? Okay. Super pretty. Some more greens in here. Oh, that's going to go here. So this one really does have a lot of color blocking. Let me show it to you. Let's zoom you in real quick here, and I'll show you. It would go fast. It really would because of all the color blocking that you can do. So all of this is one color except for the V's. There's V and U in here in the raindrops. The umbrella, lots of color blocking. The duck itself is pretty easy. It's like 2 yellows and then some orange accents. Again, lots of color blocking here. This would go really fast. It really would. So I had to get it. It was adorable. I saw this on their website and I was like, yep, that one's just calling my name, right? And I'll tell you what, finally, we have rain here. So this has been my ducks for the last couple days. They've been out singing in the rain. And the ducks do not care. They love the rain. They don't care. All right, I got one more to show you here. And this one's the biggest of all. Okay, it is a 40 by 60. And look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, that looks so good in the camera. It looks good to my eye too. This one has 29 colors. Oh man, they could have added one more and they all would have 30. Anyhow, this is all black background here. Again, lots of multi-placing and color blocking through here. And honestly, this flower has a lot of multi-placing, as you can see. A lot of E's, a lot of H's. It would be pretty easy and quick to do that. This flower the same way. The confetti you'll get into is around the butterfly's wings. That would be confetti. And up here, I mean, it's not even horrible confetti. It really isn't. I think it would be fun to do. It would be beautiful. All of this color popping off the black background. This is water lily. Got butterflies up there as well. I think it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Let's look at some colors so we can get an idea what this will look like. Yellows, oranges, pinks, purple, right? That's what I'm seeing. What are you seeing? Okay, there's our black. There it is, folks. The black. They're falling all over. I got too big of a handful. So look at the pretty colors. Burnt orange, pinks, blues, more oranges. Beautiful colors, right? Got some purples. Look at this yellow. That's totally going to be in those flowers. What else do we have? Pretty colors. Here's the pretty colors. Yes, love it. I love it. It's gorgeous. And there's little pink, a little sagey green there. Love, love, love it. So, Coodeals, they do a great job over there. They will do customs. I have gotten a few customs from them, and they've done a nice job. And remember, a lot of the times you can pick your size. You can, I think you can pick your drill type as well. They do a nice job. They do it all there in-house. I think it's wonderful. I mean, these are fantastic. I love these pictures, right? I think they're all going to turn out very, very nice. All right. Well, now I need to clean all this up. I need to record a whip and chat. I need to make an important phone call. I got a couple of things I got to get rocking and rolling on here, you guys. So wish me luck. Hope I get everything done. And I hope you enjoyed and you come back and see more things in the future. Hit that like button, subscribe, and, you know, stick around for a while. I do all kinds of fun things. So I appreciate you. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. Bye, you guys.